All right, let's check out my screen here. Let's watch this video, and then I'm going to talk all about the product that it leads to.
Cost tens of thousands of dollars to deep clean your blood vessels and restore optimal blood health. But a new $5 cure will deep clean your blood vessels in days. And this is essential for anyone
It's a scam.
over the age of 40. Say goodbye to high cholesterol and high blood pressure.
AI audio
2 of these
scam.
gummies daily to restore optimal heart health and youth. To find out more, click the Learn More link below.
All right, so this is a screen recording I did on my phone because it's hard to get back to these sometimes. This went to portfoliodiversificationonline.com. And so we hit play on my screen recording. It's going to show you the website that I went to. It's going to claim that it's Nature, the magazine or the publication Nature, and it's not. It's portfoliodiversificationonline.com. It talks about vascular cleansing, blood vessel cleaning, and that Dr. Oz has something to do with this about CBD gummies. It's all fake. He has nothing to do with any of this. This is all made up by scammers. He has no involvement in this whatsoever. It says Dr. Oz is one of the most important cardiologists and professors in the United States, blah, 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 blah. And that he has, done all this stuff about blood vessel cleansing, cleaning, or something like that. And that he's ready to release his big product, BioHeal CBD gummies. And he's not doing that. It says here, Dr. Oz is sure that absolutely everyone can cleanse their own vessels and in this way improve their health and well-being. I don't know. Okay. Like CBD gummies are going to do that. I don't think so. And by the way, sometimes scammers, affiliate marketers use product names, company names in ways that are without permission, without authorization. I don't know what's going on here. I could not find a whole lot of information about this. This is just the latest CBD gummies product name I've seen in these scams. And so I'm here to educate you about the fact that these scams are out there and that I don't want you to believe that Dr. Oz has something to do with blood vessel cleansing, cleaning, and CBD gummies and all this, No celebrities have ever endorsed, by the way, keto gummies for weight loss, and very few have ever said anything about CBD gummies. Like Martha Stewart actually has a genuine, real line of CBD gummies, but that's one of the only people. I think Antonio Brown, the football player, once endorsed some product having to do with it, but you're not going to find a whole lot of big name celebrities doing this. Like Oprah's the biggest one who's ever used, and she was used so frequently, and she has nothing to do with keto gummies. So it says here, can you find the door that gives you 70% off? And they, of course, are going to show you that door, and you're going to get it. Oh, you get 70% off. You can get free shipping, and you're going to get a free bottle or whatever they claim. You go to the website here, goes through security-signup.com to trybioheal.com. It claims here you're going to be able to regulate blood pressure, balance blood sugar levels, lower bad cholesterol, increase good cholesterol, reverse insulin resistance, blah, 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 blah. And here, as you can see, the phone number, if you need it, is 855-658-6710 or care@trybioheal.com. And here's the thing. These products come with subscriptions normally, so watch out for that because you don't want to get hit with a $200, $260 charge, something like that, every month for something that is not going to do what it says, not was endorsed by the celebrities it said, and all that sort of thing. You definitely don't want that to happen. That's number one. Number two, the return addresses on some of these products are not real. It has like a P.O. box for a post office. The post office is real in the town it lists, but the P.O. box number, if you walked in that post office and you looked around for the number, it doesn't exist. It's like a number for a box that's not actually in the post office, so it's a fake return address. There are so many different aspects of these scams, and a lot of these products have snake oil pitches that were thought up by scammers or affiliate marketers or whoever that, if you want to buy CBD products in general, go to like a local shop if your state allows CBD or whatever it is, they have local brick and mortar stores, something like that. You don't want to go through something you saw in an online ad pitch that lied to you about who endorsed it and what happened and all that. So that's my advice about this. I've covered so many of these CBD gummy and keto gummy scams. This is just the latest one that's out there. BioHeal. Previously they had BioBlend. I guess they're trying to see if BioHeal maybe does better. And if I keep seeing this for the next few weeks or months, that means it is doing better and it is selling, because otherwise they would not be advertising it. So watch out for these scams. No celebrities have endorsed BioHeal CBD gummies. Zero. So if you saw some other celebrities, it's fake. Don't believe that. Trying to think if there's anything else here. If you receive this product in the mail, which some people tell me that they were charged and they received the product, but they never even ordered it. I hear that all the time. Some people say that they were charged and they never received something. Some people say they receive a product despite never having ordered or being charged. So a lot of weird things happening here. And with these scams out there talking about Dr. Oz and all these other celebrities and, Nature magazine, makes me think a lot about money laundering, right? Like why are people receiving the products despite having never ordered them? It's really strange, right? And so, I'm just a lowly YouTuber. I'm sure that investigative authorities are already looking into this and compiling all their data and evidence and trying to figure out exactly what's going on. And I'm going to leave that to them because, they brought down, in a way, people who were using Clint Eastwood's image and likeness in the past to talk about, like he endorsed CBD gummies, which he never did. And those people were, allegedly using his image and likeness in Lithuania and in LA. And he won millions or was settled or whatever it was in 2 different lawsuits. So there's totally precedent for this sort of thing to come crashing down if they can find people in Lithuania who are allegedly doing it in LA, whatever. And so, yeah. This is, it's going to be interesting to see what happens in the future because the people who were involved with the stuff in Lithuania and LA probably never thought they would be in court with Clint Eastwood's attorneys, right? So that's what this is. Hit the like button down below. The thumbs up button to the right of that is a thanks button. If you don't see the thanks button, tap the 3 dots off to the right of the like button. That'll expand a menu. The thanks button is in there. Thank you so much for watching. Leave comments down below and share this video on Facebook.